Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin right away by assembling your tools. Popsicle Loom, a hook, about 100 colorful bands and a C-clip, plus a popsicle stick handle if desired. Once done, place 3 bands to form a triangle across the first 3 pegs so you have a secure base. Now take a single band, twist it once into a figure 8 and hook it up to the center peg. This locks the foundation and prevents slippage as you work further. Now you continue by adding 2 bands per subsequent row, alternating colors if you want a striped popsicle look. This creates predictable layering. You use the hook to reach under the lowest band on each peg and pull it up and over toward the center or trailing peg, which compresses the rows into a tight weave. Make sure to maintain even tension across all pegs. Consistent stretch prevents gaps, because uneven bands will distort the popsicle shape as it grows. To finish, place 3 overlapping bands across the final pegs and use your hook to draw the last row's loops together. Slide a C-clip through those loops to lock the design. Once secured, remove the piece from the loom, trim any stray ends, and attach a popsicle stick handle for stability or display. If a loop slips while removing, don't panic. Reinsert the hook under the lowest loop and pull it back over the peg before unclipping. That single trick fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.